Hi guys, on the 23rd of May, a Ryanair flight was forced to land in Belarus due to some reason that they wanted to arrest a prominent journalist. Okay, a fake bomb threat was announced by air traffic control to the airplane, and the plane was forced to land in Belarus. And the plane was escorted by Belarus Air Force MiG fighter jet. Okay, as you can read it there, the plane was escorted by a MiG-29 fighter jet and escorted to the Belarus airport. Once the plane landed, the journalist was arrested and taken into custody. I'm sure you guys know about this story. It's everywhere in the news. But here the main point is a passenger jet was escorted by a fighter airplane. Okay guys, now I want you to read what I dreamed a few months before. On the 4th of October, I documented military jet escorting jetliner. I did not know the reason, but I knew it's something like that is going to happen. Thank you for watching guys. Please share it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Of course, everything that happened on this planet guys, it goes through my mind first and then it happens. This is just a simple example to give you. I knew it that a jetliner is going to be escorted by a military plane, and it has happened the same way. Thank you for watching.